Now we are going to review these Kinnikinnick and these Goodie Girl gluten-free magical animal crackers. Here is the Kinnikinnick one. It looks pretty good. So let's take a bite. They're not very good. I give them an X because
What don't you like about them?
they just don't taste like a regular animal cracker that you would get, and they just don't. They're like not even sweet. They're not very good. On to these Goodie Girl gluten-free magical animal crackers. This is what it looks like. So let's see how it tastes. It's pretty good. They're sweet. It just has this taste that just makes it way better. So I give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely buy these.
Now I'm going to try it. This is the Kinnikinnick. Yeah, this doesn't taste very good. It's gritty, almost like a nutty type of taste, although it says that there's no nuts in it. On to the Goodie Girls. Wow, this one is 100 times better. There's a vanilla taste to it. It's crispy, crunchy. It's really, really close to a normal gluten animal cracker. These are awesome. I mean, I could probably sit here and eat the whole box. So good job, Goodie Girl. Now here's Thomas. He still eats gluten, and he is going to tell us what he thinks of each brand.
So today we're going to be eating these animal type crackers.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Kinnikinnick first. Go ahead and taste it. Now he's going to eat the Goodie Girls. The Kinnikinnick, magical animals. Okay. You like them?
Double sure.
Yeah,